Hey there, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah with my brand new Excel chart series. In this series, we're going to have some fun getting creative with data and turning it into amazing visualizations. In today's episode, I'll show you how to create a timeline chart to visualize events over time. Whether it's for a project, a presentation, or just to stay organized, timeline charts are a great way to display tasks and milestones in a clear, easy-to-understand format. Let's jump right in. Before we create our timeline, we need to make sure our data is organized properly. Let's say we have a list of tasks for an upcoming product launch, along with their corresponding dates. Our boss wants a timeline chart for an upcoming presentation, and we're here to deliver. Here's what we need in our data. A column for tasks, what needs to be done. A column for dates, when each task happens. A new column for height values, which will determine whether the task appears above or below the timeline. How the height values work. Positive numbers, tasks appear above the timeline. Negative numbers equals tasks appear below the timeline. A good trick is to alternate between positive and negative values for a neat zigzag look. But don't worry too much. These numbers can be adjusted later once the chart is finished. Once your data is set, it's time to build the chart. Select the date and height columns. Skip the task column for now. Go to the Insert tab. Click on the bar or column chart drop-down. Choose the 2D column chart. At first glance, you might think, wait, where are my task names? Don't worry, we'll add them next. Right now, the chart only shows columns, but we want to label them with the task names. Here's how to do it. Click the Chart Elements button, the little plus sign next to your chart. Next to Data Labels, click the arrow and choose More Options. In the Options pane, check Value from Cells, and select the task names in column B. Click OK, and now each task is labelled. However, you might notice that the height values are showing in the labels, which we don't want. To remove them, uncheck the Value box under Label Options to clean up the labels. Now your chart is looking more like a timeline. Right now, we have chunky columns, but we want thin, elegant lines to represent our timeline events. We can achieve this by using error bars, and here's how. Remove the column fill color. Click any column, go to the Format tab, click Shape Fill, and select No Fill. Add error bars. Click the Chart Elements button again. Next to error bars, click the arrow and choose More Options. Set the error bar settings as follows. Direction, -end style. No cap error. Amount, percentage, set to 100%. Now our chunky columns have transformed into sleek vertical lines. Looking good. To make our timeline look even better, let's tidy up some elements. Remove unnecessary elements. Click the chart title and press Delete. Now let's delete the grid lines for a cleaner look. Click the Chart Elements button, go to Axes, and uncheck Primary Vertical. Now let's get rid of the chart border. Click the border, go to the Format tab, open Shape Outline, and select No Outline. Now your timeline has a clean, embedded look that blends beautifully into the worksheet. Let's add some finishing touches to make our timeline stand out. First, let's start by customizing the timeline line. Select the timeline, horizontal axis, go to the Format tab, and customize the style. Set the outline color to black for a bold look. Increase the thickness by choosing weight greater than 2¼ points. Add a right arrow to the timeline. Go to Shape Outline greater than arrows. Select the right arrow option for a professional touch. Feel free to play around with the colors and styles to match your presentation or preference. Once your timeline is looking great, you can still make adjustments. If you want to, move tasks higher or lower, just update the values in the height column. Rearrange the order, simply adjust the task dates. When you're 100% satisfied, you're ready to impress your boss with a clear and professional timeline chart. Why timeline charts are amazing. Timeline charts are a unique and eye-catching way to visualize events over time. They're perfect for project planning, tracking milestones, and keeping everyone on the same page. Plus, they're sure to make you look like an Excel pro in front of your boss. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a sleek, professional-looking timeline chart in Excel from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.